so muted, no melody found, where equality is a distant dream. A lost soul's cry.
Welcome and welcome back to Mrs. G's Living. On this channel, we focus on beauty, fashion, styling, commentary, and much more. So if that's something you're interested in, please consider subscribing and joining our community. So in today's video, we picked up two pieces from H&M, and to keep with our low spending buying for this year, we're going to see for me if these pieces can fit into my wardrobe. So the goal of this is to keep it or not. So if it can't fit into my 3 lifestyle, which is I'm a professional girly, so I do have a professional 9-to-5 job, as well as I love streetwear. I am originally from Brooklyn, New York, so streetwear is definitely my vibe. And then the third way is to dress it more casually. If that's a video you're interested in watching, please stay tuned. The way that I style this is in a professional way. As I said, I'm a 9-to-5 girly. So I paired this shiny peplum skirt that I actually got from H&M for $89.99. Paired it with this peplum tweed jacket that I got from Forever 21 years ago. What I love about this jacket is that it cinches at the waist and it kind of billows out and becomes longer, so it has a high-low effect to it. Now I also paired it with my knee-high 9 West boots and my black and silver Chanel handbag to just carry the whole outfit in. And I think it's paired well with currently what I'm wearing. I think this would be a great outfit for my 9-to-5, especially if I have a special meeting or I'm meeting up with someone afterwards. This is a great look. So I'm gonna definitely, styling it professionally, I'm gonna give it a thumbs up to keep so far, because so far it went well with my professional. So the next way I'm going to style this skirt is casually, and I know that casual is subjective. So for me, casual means if I'm going to brunch with the girlfriends or out with the husband, this is how I would actually style it. So I paired it with this animal print crop top that I actually got from Forever 21 a few years ago in the plus size section. And it is just great because it showcases the high-waisted detail of this skirt. And the focal point to me is the skirt, but also the shirt is adding a little pop of interest to it as well, but it's not overpowering the style. Next, with my Givenchy cap toe boots, I just feel like it is a perfect match with the animal print shirt that I'm wearing. Casual look. Now for many of you, casual, as I said, is subjective, so you can possibly wear this with a turtleneck, a long sleeve t-shirt, or another way I was thinking about wearing it is with actually a sweater. But I just love the print of this, so I want to use it for my casual because this is what I would usually wear. And at least I'm going to pair it with my Chanel travel handbag. It just has the gold detailing, and I feel like it just pairs well with the animal print shirt. I wear any type of crop top. I make sure that whatever the bottom is, whether it's a high-waisted pants, high-waisted skirt, it has to be high-waisted where it's not showing, or just showing a little bit of stomach, but not my entire stomach. And I think this was just a great match for this skirt because it complements the overall skirt. So this is me styling it casually, and I'm gonna have to give it a thumbs up for styling it casually because this to me was perfection. So the next way that we are styling this beautiful skirt is streetwear. Now, once again, streetwear can be subjective depending on where you are located, your generation you grew up in, and so forth. But this is the way I style my streetwear. So I styled it with this black and white striped shirt with the yellow detailing at the arms. I also paired it with my Balenciaga booties to just give it, because the Balenciaga booties has graffiti on it, and it just gives a little extra prop of interest. While the skirt is a statement piece, the boots are a statement piece as well. And then I decided to pair it with my motorcycle or racer jacket. It has the black, it has white, it has yellow, goes perfectly with this shirt and gives it a streetwear vibe. and it's faux leather, and I just paired it with my traditional Chanel handbag. And I think this is a cute streetwear. For streetwear, it goes perfectly with my wardrobe. So whether I should keep it or not, I am definitely keeping this skirt. It is a statement piece. It is also sold out online. I had to go to another location to kind of pick it up. So the tip that I can give you, if you see a piece online, things tend to go quickly online, especially in H&M and Zara's, but you can do a store locator to see if the item is in stock. And always, you know, I didn't call the store ahead of time. I should have. But anytime I go to this store, or anytime I go to the H&M or the Zara's, if they say they have 1 or 2 pieces left, it's usually typically accurate if it's not a sale item. So this is how I styled it, and I'm definitely going to keep this piece because I'm going to have multiple ways that I can pair it. So the next piece that I bought from H&M is this white and black sweater. Now it also has a skirt that comes with it, but I just knew I wasn't going to wear the skirt, and I'm still debating on the sweater because I'm very picky when it comes to my sweater, meaning that they have to not be itchy, and this feels a little bit rough. But let's see if we can style it 3 ways. Once again, streetwear, professional, as well as casual, because those are the 3 types of ways that I wear my clothes. And I'm trying to step away from separate clothes for separate events. The only time I want to have separate clothes is if I have house clothes that I only wear in the house that do not go outside. But I kind of want to wear pieces that can go for multiple events. So let's try this on and see what we can work it with within our closet. So this beautiful turtleneck sweater, how I'm going to pair it. One, I want to say that it's kind of itchy though. And I got mine in a size large. It can retail for $69.99. And you know, H&M always has some kind of sale going on. So I'm going to pair it with these round-toed heels in leather that I also bought from H&M recently. I think online they're still going for $79.99, but in my local H&M they were actually on sale, I believe, for $30. And I think that's a good price for genuine leather shoes. And round toes are currently one of the trends for 2025. And I just love that it matches. So I paired it with this pencil shiny maroon skirt that I also bought from H&M months ago. So I'm going to pair these together. And so I'm pairing it with my patent leather burgundy work bag that I got from, I believe, Zara's a few months ago. And so this is how I would actually wear it professionally to my 9 to 5. I tucked the sweater in because it is oversized and I wanted a little shape. I didn't want to look boxy. So this is how I would wear it for my 9 to 5. I feel like black and white pretty much can go with any color in your wardrobe. And this is how I would wear it professionally. I would actually, besides it being itchy, I actually like the oversized feel. I like that the arms are long, which is a problem that I have as a tall girl. And this is, I would give this a thumbs up for keeping it because I loved how it paired well with this outfit. So the next way that I pair this sweater in my overall wardrobe, and I know some of you will say this is not casual, but as I said, casual is subjective. I would wear this on a casual date out, or I would actually wear this to work as well. So it's a 2-for-1. So I paired this oversized, this black and white H&M sweater. Because it's oversized, I paired it with a belt in order to give it a little shape. So a black and gold belt. And then I paired it with my wide leg faux leather pants that I got from Zara years ago. I also brought out these black and gold flats that I bought from Zara a few years ago as well. And what I love about it is that it has like this artistic detail. It has the roses at the front of the shoes. And it is definitely a conversational piece. It is definitely a statement piece. And I love these flats. And then I just also paired it with my black and gold Chanel travel bag. And I feel like this was a great casual look. This, I know for me, when I buy black and white, it is going to fit perfectly within my wardrobe because I love to wear black. So I knew once I saw this sweater that it would go seamlessly into my wardrobe. I wouldn't have any problems pairing it with multiple items for multiple occasions. The only thing that I can say is the con is it's slightly itchy and it slightly sheds, but overall I love this piece. So I would definitely rate it a thumbs up for the casual outfits. And so now we're gonna wear it, try to pair it up with some streetwear. Last but not least is streetwear. And so I actually paired this with some black cargo sweatpants that I got from I believe Zara a few years ago. Also this red and black bomber jacket from Future Collective. And then of course I paired it with my black and white Sambas. And just to continue on with the red and black, my red and black Chanel handbag. And I think this is a cute casual streetwear kind of outfit. So I feel like this sweater pairs well with a lot of things that I have in my wardrobe, and I knew that it would. But will I keep it? As I said, I don't like that it sheds and I don't like that it's itchy. And also I tucked the neckline in because, you know, I'm not a turtleneck type of girl. So I'm really going to have to sleep on this one. I would give it rated 2 out of 3. Because as far as streetwear, I could probably wear it, I could have paired it with some jeans and some sneakers, but that to me was just the typical route to wear it. And I wanted something really casual that I would wear on Saturdays to go running errands and to just go to museums or stuff like that. So I would give this a 2 out of 3. So overall, the pieces have rated, I would say, keep in my closet, keep as far as purchasing. So one tip that I can give you is that shopping is our outlet. Shopping is our therapy. Many of us, we fluctuate, like myself, in our weight. So it's like, you know, some of us don't have the option of going back to the clothes we used to wear because we've gone up a size, we've gone down a size. Whatever the circumstances are, when you're looking at new pieces, I would just recommend, well, can you wear it? Can you style it well? Because I know for many of us, we have pieces that look great, but they don't really pair well with our overall wardrobe. And so I am trying to make an effort in not to just buy pieces, but look at the pieces that I purchase as a whole and whether or not I have multiple ways to wear it to multiple events. So I am Mrs. G from Mrs. G's Living. If you like videos like this, please like, subscribe. Peace. We are out. Bye.